What's good, YouTube? It's my first video, just playing some GPO Battle Royale. Fuck.
Yeah, that's good. Keep it in. I'll get it cut out the part you laugh.
Today, we use Firework Lancer, and we just went crazy, dude. We got good 7-9 kills, and that's pretty much it, man. Let's get into the video.
I'm the biggest brain idea.
Bro, what you get, bro? What you get, bro? Bro, what you get?
Legendary chest right there. Let's go. I didn't get nothing. Oh my goodness, wait, it's LA. Oh my goodness.
I think yours says.
Something to lock in. Firework
Oh,
Lancer?
bro, what the frick? Everybody in the world missed this chest. Holy crap.
Oh my goodness, Night Gauntlets. What's Jover? It's Jover. Got the best weapon in the game.
All I need is money so I can go find the thing with the freaking bro. I'm re-rolling off everything I did. I only want to do this, bro. I'm sorry. I'm not here to win. I'm here to have fun. You gotta die. Yo, he has a.
Firework Lancer?
Yep.
Oh, let me just finish killing this guy. Stay on him all game. It's my turn to hit the dash.
Rocket shit. Hey, what you doing there, buddy? Gotta do what you get.
Of course I got it.
Wait, what?
Of course I got it.
Got what? Got the sword? Oh, the, I'll talk about, did you get the 3?
Here it
You have
says.
to get the swords, yeah.
Oh, I low-key forgot to put any swords up. That's my bad.
Oh, here, take this. Oh, well, you're not using it anymore.
I'll use anything you give me, dude. You not see what's in my hands.
I would say I had board armor, so I think
I got nothing against me. Help him already.
I love this. That was so weird. Good job, bud.
It's almost done.
Same.
Yeah, I'm winning.
You made it.
Should have handed it to me.
I want that rubber chicky. Oh, he does. Here, take his rubber chicky.
Yeah, by the way.
Take rubber chicky. Hurry up. Yeah, give me all your money.
It's not like I got a lot.
I need all of it. Oh my god, like, get off my thing! I'm so tired of fighting already! Who is this?
I told you where it was at.
What was it? Oh, thank the Lord it's yours. On. I got a pistol, now I'm getting grabbed, like. Like, I can do it on my friend.
I need help. Got his teammate one shot.
I grabbed it. Bro, these guys are so accurate. Like, dude, y'all stay
Run,
third
run, run.
partying, bro.
I got the kill.
You have katana? Go get, yeah, I got that katana.
Who do I have? Oh, Paul. I'll eat that final. Another team.
You have 2 katanas?
Got one.
I need one more, bro. What's up?
Need help. You guys are horrible at team combat.
What am I doing? So we're trolling.
Let me see what I did.
Yeah.
Don't thought he was
So
hitting
he's
me.
bumping the same shit.
I'll try to snipe him.
He has a katana. He has nothing.
Bro, I was trolling mid combo.
Yo, let me get that. Let me get that.
I go ulted, he's probably low. Yeah.
Oh, get fucking.
Oh, Magu died. They picked up Magu, that guy. Please, one shot. Come up, come up. How did you get these people back? One to the campfire, I ain't gonna lie. Does he have Geppo?
Yeah.
He does?
I don't care about any of this. It's fun.
I don't care about the Magu either. He's taking his teammate away though. His teammate probably has something crazy. Oh, look at the last circle. If I pull alt then dark root, oh, that's pretty sad.
Bro, I just need this. Can you come take this guy's bodies?
Yeah. Wow, I'm
Okay, buddy. Please tell me if he has a what's it called?
He's up.
Bro,
Yeah, he's dead. Nope.
Oh my fucking god! I just need one more. So boring. This is boring. What do you call the name in my American accent?
Oh yeah, Firework Lancer. Oh yeah.
Bro, I'm supposed to go for- oh, bro.
Wait, I got to that low.
No.
They're picking on some solo. I think we should kill them, then kill the solo.
Is this a solo?
Grab 2 people?
I grabbed 2 people. What's up the solo?
The rapier. Don't let him get the HP back from the rapier. Just don't worry about the solo. Right?
He ain't solo.
Should have kept ulted.
Katana! Wait, am I gonna get it back?
Oh. Come together. Oh my god, I tried to fry their HPs. That's low. I don't have a fruit, buddy. These guys. What, you ball yet?
Yeah. Whoa, you gotta eat ball now. For you fight. You got time.
I'll go full ball. I'm gonna go full ball then switch. Because I'm not keeping Paul, I'm only keeping it for the ult to get the HP back.
I had 20 seconds from ult.
Should have Geppo'd. They could damage me like a good boy. Where do I aim it to? What are we thinking? Just aim it right below me. I just got ulted! I got an HP back. I got like 2 HP back. Oh, I got 2 HP back, yeah. I got 3 HP back. Got another HP.
What is this one tap? Oh, the kilo dude is one tap.
He's everywhere.
I missed. You about dumb as hell. What? I'm dead. Wait, help me. Please help me. Oh my god, please kill that guy. He's my HP back.
Kinda like have a fruit.
How did I not hit him?
Will I get rid of my fruit yet? I got Paul again. If I get it up there.
I know, damn.
He is inline. You can hit him after that.
Bro, are you serious right now, bro? Yep, flowers.
You are? Actually.
He's like that.
Hey. He's dead. He's one shot. He's dead. I'll be keep that.
Is he dead?
Yeah, that's it.
No, this one dead.
That's stupid. He's actually dumb. He's actually stupid. Wait. He's actually dumb.
Jeez, wow. Yeah, that guy might be brain dead. That guy might be just a little bit, you know what I mean? Like, do I even say GG's to that? Like, that wasn't even fun. I wanted 3 swords, Dio. I had it right in my hands. I just want to have fun, guys. Bro, Mag is so freaking boring, bro. Did you get legendary chest?
You win this on accident. This gonna make me mad. You gave him the HP back. No way.
Did you stand right there when you sword fight?
Hey, you're dead.